Hi guys, welcome back to my fashion corner. Today I'll go over my book, Fashion Illustration for Beginners, Techniques and Markers, specifically Tombow markers. Tombow markers are cool because they have a brush on one side and a point on the other side, which you can use to create your fashion illustrations. You can create patterns, you can create accessories and different types of outfits. And this book basically goes over different things that you can create and try out. An introduction. So here I'm recreating one of the illustrations from the book, a woman in glasses and scarf. The scarf is the main focus of this illustration because it's so patterned and flowing. I did her hair with one color and I left white of the paper for the highlights, and I did the same for the sunglasses. I'm giving her funky earrings, some cheeks, adding some outlines to emphasize the hair more. You can really play with it as you wish. Now we're making a scarf. Make sure you show the folds of the scarf to show that it wraps around the neck. Create the basic body outline. Some nails. You can use a basic set of colors from Tombow. They come in as small as 24, 12, 24, 48 colors. You really don't need a lot of colors to make these fun fashion flair illustrations. When you draw patterns, you can also play with the patterns. You can add flowers, leaves, different patterns that you'll find in the book. So yeah, this was fun and I hope you have fun too. Thank you.